Hey, I am Doug from DOUGandNIKI, and I am here in our new developing outdoor test studio, which I got a great new toolbox for, and that's going to be the centerpiece of things. And so I need to organize things. So I thought it'd be cool, kind of like in this area here, or maybe here on the side, to be able to magnetically mount some tools. So I got these Rampo magnetic strips, which I will tell you, I got a 4-pack and they weigh a ton. These things are so heavy. They must be super heavy duty. Let's open them up, see what they're like. I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I think of them. We'll try them out, see how they work. Let's go do that. So this is gonna be a little bit of an interesting thing. I'm gonna have to do a little MacGyvering. Here's what they look like. This is what they look like out of the box, right? And I saw these holes on the end, and I thought that was going to somehow like align with the pegboard holes, which it does not even a little bit. It comes with hardware if you were going to install it into wood, but I'm going to have to figure out some way to install it into the pegboards here. Now the other thing I am going to say about these is, so I don't know if you could see this. It comes with like a terrible looking sticker here on it. It's not fitting very well and it just looks awful. Let me see how this one looks. Yeah, look, it's like garbage the way it's put on there. It looks terrible. I really thought the quality would be much more, like you could even see here where the sticker was just plain old too big and they just shoved it on there anyway. Interesting. I don't know if I'm even going to install that. But let's check to see how well they work before I say anything like that. Not too much of a test. Here we go, ready? The giant wrench from hell. Woo! Okay, so in terms of mounting, if I could figure out how I'm going to mount it in there, this would be perfect. They look nice and solid, mounts good. The way it actually looks isn't so good, but in any case, I'm going to have to only give these like a 3 out of 5 on the Doug score. Maybe for functionality, it would be a 5 out of 5. I think it should have, these pegboard mounts are very standard. I think it should have some way to easily mount to that. And also, the overall finish quality with this stupid sticker on here is terrible. So yeah, so that's a 3 out of 5 on the Doug score. I hope that's helpful. It certainly works to hold your tools if that's the only threshold you're looking for. I'm Doug from DOUGandNIKI, and I'll see you next time.